The Manhattan Blues. It's done to a quick step tempo, and we start in normal ballroom hold with 3 walks down line of dance and a point, and we come back with the same movement. So it's 1, 2, 3, point, and back 2, 3, point. Now we're going to go into a half chassis turn with a slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and then we're going to complete the other half chassis turn with the same movement. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. We end up in line with our partner. Right, we just put those first 8 bars together. 4 walks and a point forward and 4 backward. And point and 4 backwards. Then a chassis turn. It's slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Now at this point, the man is going to step outside the partner with a point, with a step and a point, and step across the other side. A step and a point. Then you're going to step to the centre and swing the right leg across, left for lady, and the other way. And it's a side and drag, side and drag. We finish the dance off with 2 diagonal chassis, one to the centre and one to the wall, and we're ready to start again. Right, do the whole 16 bars together. It's 1, 2, 3, and point, and back. The chassis turn, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Step out, and the other side. Step and swing, side and drag, chassis to the centre, chassis to the wall. And we're ready to start again.